Hello. Oh, wow. Can you tell me what this one is? It's jackfruit? Okay. And this, and adobo, and then this is the tamarind soup?
Yes.
Sinig sek? Okay. And do you have carrot car? That's what he said. Only weekends? Okay. So what do you recommend for a combination of?
Any two sides. Which one do you want? Any two sides and rice.
Which one do you think I should try?
Chicken? You want chicken?
Yeah, maybe this one. I think this one's good, jackfruit.
Yeah. Would you like to try this one?
I've tried this before. Maybe this one is asado.
No. Lechon Paksiw. It's kind of sweet.
Okay, I want to try this. Lechon Paksiw.
That one
And this one,
to go.
and for here. And anything else. Thank you. And how do you say this? Lechon Paksiw. Paksiw. Yes. Lechon Paksiw. Okay. Yum.
And you have a free drink.
And a free drink. Okay. Anything that's from the Philippines. Any soda or anything.
No soda is for me.
Okay.
It's nothing.
That looks good. Perfect. Thank you. And this is, how do you say this in Philippines?
Ginataang Langka.
Okay. It's jackfruit?
Jackfruit.
Okay. Looks good.
May sinigang po kayo. Baboy siya.
You like this?
Your friend is
Yung Latina.
Yes. And where in the Philippines are you from?
province. Boracay.
Province Boracay. Okay.
Get your tray.
Okay. Okay, I got my tray.
That's it.
Yeah, maybe if there's anything else. Is there any condiments or vinegar or something I should eat with this? Or shrimp paste or anything you recommend?
Oh, you eat surface?
Yeah, whatever you do. Tell me.
Try the
I'm trying to learn.
vinegar, hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
This the shrimp paste.
Okay, and
Kare-kare.
what should I try the shrimp paste with? Which one?
For kare-kare, since you asked me.
Oh, this for kare kare. Okay, I come back with that. Perfect. And a drink.
Yeah, just grab and pick.
Fish sauce goes with it.
Fish sauce? Okay, maybe one
Oh,
fish sauce.
Yeah, but not
Thank
those.
you.
Not those.
These don't.
Nuh-uh.
Which do I put the?
vinegar?
Okay, no vinegar. The fish sauce goes with what? This?
Both of them goes with the fish sauce.
Perfect. Thank you.
You
It
want
has vinegar already.
I'm told it's all about the. I'm told it's all about the combination. And the drink is. Oh, here. Any Filipino drink? Okay.
No Filipino drink.
Okay. I'll do a ginger ale. What is this? You're making hello hello.
Halo, you want?
I had it before. It's good. This is cool. So you put all the things in and then you put the
The
milk.
ice and milk and the ice cream on top.
Okay, amazing. And maybe I get for dessert. All right. They're making hello hello. So let's get into this. Let's try jackfruit first. Oh yeah, I was told a little fish sauce. It's all, I realize it's all about the condiments with Filipino food, which I've heard. So let's try jackfruit straight up. Whoa. It's so meaty and tender. It's kind of like the Bilok Express sauce, but maybe not as much shrimp paste. But that jackfruit, holy. Or maybe breadfruit. That is delicious. So creamy. It's like a Thai curry. Okay, that's a big winner. Now let's try some of this lechon. I think you need to, well, let's try straight up first. Vinegar, sweet, that's a crowd pleaser. That, anyone would like that. That's not crazy or funky or anything. This is just straight up delicious, sweet, acidic pork. I think you should probably jus it. A little bit more fish sauce. I'm just making this up. If you, if I'm doing something wrong, tell me in the comments. But I'm trying. Wow. Once again, Filipino cuisine, delicious. Very good. It's very, very good. Thank you. Very good. And no Filipino pop, but I'm from Canada, so we are allies. Canada Dry and Filipino food. A little taste of home. Okay, my guy's sitting with me, so you said your grandma works here?
Yeah, my grandma does work.
Okay, well that's why it tastes good, because it's all home cooking.
Right.
So what do you get when you get here, when you come here? Because I don't know.
So personally, I like getting protein, a lot of protein.
Yeah.
Because afterwards I'll usually go to the gym, so I just get like a bunch of meat. So probably like pork adobo,
yeah,
barbecue, rice, and then sometimes I'll toss in like some vegetables in there.
Cool. Have you had this jackfruit?
Jackfruit. Probably when I was a lot younger. I haven't had it in a while.
Or this, what is it, lechon? This one here? Have you had this before?
Most of these foods I probably had when I was a lot younger.
Yeah, yeah.
Because nowadays I focus on eating a lot of protein.
Yeah, fair enough.
Like brown meats.
Well, that's sweet that you come here often.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's really good food.
Yeah, because everything here is authentic. It's made like straight up in the morning. Like
yeah, you can taste that. Yeah.
The chefs come in like early, like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. just to start cooking, and then from there it's like, they serve it to the public by like 7 a.m., 8 a.m.
Wow. Normal flan. This is ube flan, and you make this here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. It's very lots of work, very intricate.
You see the ice? Oh, that's the halo-halo.
Hello, hello.
Halo-halo, like that already.
So what part of Philippines are you from here? Cebu. Wow, look how many islands there are. Where are you from?
Somewhere in...
There's so many islands.
I know. One second, let me try.
I've been to Cebu.
Bulacan. Over here.
That's Luzon.
Yeah, as a
It's so many islands you can't find where you're from.
I know. This is the Manila and then...
Yeah, Manila.
Yeah.
Oh, here, you're from here.
Yeah.
Bulacan.
So that's why I told you I'm from the province.
Okay, Bulacan.
Bulacan ka ba?
Cool. So this is the this is the heart and stomach and stuff, yeah? Cool, and you have all the stalks. Everything's homemade. Everything. Wow.
Yeah, everything is made from.
What is this vegetable?
That's bitter melon.
Bitter melon. Okay, I've seen that. And then this would be what I ate, which is the pork belly, slow cooked. Cool. It's a very beautiful kitchen. Chopping the pork belly. It smells good. Where are you from? Are you from born in this area?
No, I'm from Manila, but I was young when I moved.
Oh, okay. Okay, we got Philippine Farms. This is a little grocer in the area. Hello. Oh, I've had this. It's like little small sausage.
Here already.
Oh, amazing. Okay. These are like the little, longganisa.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
We have the tapa.
And tapa, which is the chuck roll. Okay.
Yeah. It's right here, ice cream.
And different ice creams. Ube ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay. You have it all.
Okay, right here is the fish.
Is the fish. And this is where you'd have the milkfish.
Yeah, they're mostly milkfish, clean also.
Okay, the bone milkfish.
It's the bone.
And you have dugo, the beef blood for that.
This one, beef blood, yeah.
What's the dish? Dininguang?
Huh?
Is that, how do you say the dish? Dininguang?
Dinuguan.
Dinuguan.
Yeah. Huh? Malate.
Come over and tell me which sauce to get, because I want to take some home.
Yeah, this one's for Lechon.
Okay, let's get one of these. I like this one. Maybe a small one? Okay. Okay, spicy one, okay.
This one is, you don't know. I don't
And
know.
this is from Philippines too, right? Banana ketchup.
Yeah, banana ketchup.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one.
Or that one. They're the same company.
They are the same company?
Yeah, only brothers. That one is that's the lumpia.
This,
Spring
okay,
roll.
for the
But
spring roll sauce?
This is better.
This is,
Pinakurat.
what is this?
That's
pineapple,
vinegar.
coconut vinegar.
Spicy in it. It's special. Kind of a,
Okay, I put back Mama,
That's better.
I'm putting back Meng Tom's, and
Better, yeah.
we're gonna get this one. This one looks more unique.
For fish, for meat, everything.
For fish, for meat,
You're
okay.
gonna like it.
I like this, I'm getting the tour.
It's true.
It is true. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Oh no, I'm not close. I better get some. Are these from Philippines?
Yeah, it's by the box.
Oh, okay.
It's not even. The box. Where you live?
In Manhattan.
Oh my god.
Wait, I should get the box? How much is a box?
It's $25.99.
Okay, that's a good price, but that's so many mangoes for me.
Yeah, but it's not right yet.
I know. Okay, I get some bananas. You give me some bananas. We gotta make 10 bucks. You have very fair prices, so it's harder to get to 10. Maybe.
This one. It's from.
Oh, the sardines?
Yeah, this is the best. This two.
I do like sardines.
Okay.
I might get them. We'll see. I just want to see what else there is.
Yeah, ice cream.
Ice cream.
The ice creams or.
I like this
How
song.
about hopia? Hopia.
I'll get some longganisa, you said.
Longganisa?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're living in Manhattan, you said.
It's fine. I'll rush it home. It'll be
Right
fine.
there. This one's the best.
Pork tocino. This
Yeah.
is
Or,
uncute.
this
Pork
one too.
Okay, let's do this. How
That's
much
good,
is this
yeah.
one?
It's 5 something.
Okay, I'm gonna send this.
But it's worth it.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some with some ketchup and vinegar.
But you have no rice.
I have rice at home. I have rice at home. What is your name?
Yeah.
My personal shopper. What is your name?
Fred.
Fred, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That was very helpful.
Take care, my friend.
I'm having fun learning some things about Filipino food. Fred, what a class act. Phil Farms. Okay, I will show you my official Filipino food haul. First up, jufran banana ketchup. Pinakurat coconut vinegar. What else is in here? Of course, mini bananas. And last but not least, we also got these sweet pork longganisa. Beauties from the Philippines. So I'm gonna cook these up with some rice for sure. This is what it means to be a YouTube thumbnail man. There you go. And that's the end of that. What a great trip. We'll find some more Filipino things in the future.